All right, you have made it to week 14. This is excellent. Today we're going to look at one of the questions in the homework, or a concept where we're going to evaluate a function. And what we're going to do is look at this function here. So we've got a biology experiment, and it looks like they were looking at cells. 200,000 cells were present initially. So that's our initial start. I see that right here. And then the numbers started decreasing, all right? And if you see this negative sign here, that means you have a decreasing function. The number of cells present can be modeled by this function. T is the time in seconds. Find out how many cells remain after 4 seconds. So they're giving us time. We're given time. Round your answer to the nearest whole number. Okay, so this is an exponential decay function. So it looks like it's probably doing something like that. And it looks like initially there was 200,000 of these cells, and they're looking to see after 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds, it's gonna be less, right? It's gonna be somewhere down here. That's the question. All right, so since we're given time, we're gonna just put 4 right into T. So in your calculator, you're gonna do 200,000. You may have to do this in different parts, times 4. And then you're gonna, if you have a graphing calculator, you'll use a little caret key to go up. And then you're gonna parenthesis, negative 0.4929. And that T is snuggled up next to it. So you want to multiply by T, which is 4. Okay. So in some calculators, and it really is it's gonna depend on what kind of calculator you have, you may have to do the 4 raised up to this first. You might even have to do this first, then have 4 raised up to that, and then multiply by 200,000. What you'll come up with, if your calculator is playing nicely with you in the sandbox, is 13,001.95 cells. And they want us to round to the nearest whole number. So we're going to round to 13,002 cells. I think the trickiest part about this problem is figuring out how to get this into whatever calculator that you were using, or if you're using the ALEKS calculator. All right, hopefully this helped a little bit. We'll see you in the next video.